Ya kata ke program bahkan top ya flash mob bat kejilak kai skin bala pelong da Sardar Police Station Shillong harangkat keji sok tilang bat Kaman Bah Foundation lembat kisamla puli na ki college ba per kanong ba halor ka jingki ki kam di drugs ka members country kalau ong ba kana kaliang Kaman Bah Foundation kala ai ki number phone shaman la ki thanat khanang bala da ki pulit ki yo ban bat ikinong di drugs ki la bat ban phone cha ka te ka kanhun nak menta ki la jing sumar ha ba ka do ba ka jingbom don jong ka sarkar ya ka chaka a jing sumar nak menta ki nong di drugs ne ki di addiction center kalong kawai ne ki maujun thot hakabai day bat ka te ka benta ka kong samanda kalau ong ba ka jing e kalong ba ki chaka a jing sumar nak menta ki tu ki nong di drugs bawan nak kalong yeng ki buduna hakayo kot kimpat dan na kaliang ba GW shooting usi kasara police station ulai thuru ba katnat pulit kales nok ti lang bat Kaman Bah Foundation kumju bat kisam la puli khanang ban te la kam ya kate kams new dak ba penlong ki program aji kai bo pher
kani ka program mangile kani ka flash mob bat ka skit kalong ba ngi involve ye kini ki khna school bakin to be a role model number through this nakabale kani ka flash mob la ni kani ka skit nila ban I message kiwe ki khna samla la ni ki khna school bakin long involve ki bun ki activities na mata jong ki mdei tamdei bakin ngat than tang hato drugs mo te through this flash mob and through this skit bangile mane apo police bazar ni kwa ban I ka message ki khna school khna college but there are many things that we can do apart from drug addiction. So drug addiction is not the solution. Okay? And we are also collaborating another program with District Legal Services Authority, also same on addiction in collaboration with Kaman Bah Foundation itself. Since we have been working in this field, ngila tray la bon snam hapo ka field. Te kai bangila banong ba daka jing ka entertainment ya ki kena lane ka activities na mata ki kena ngatrai ka ngihap penbon ya ki namba bakin lat ban lat to ka por ka bathali jong ki bakin lat ban ya ki kam di drugs lani di kiat mo bakin lat ki to bakhat ngatrai ki entertainment na mata ki kena ka de ban khambon shusho te hapo in the city ken that is what we see na ba ngipet kerkum ki ngidan ki kena ki ba perform ki ba they are into addiction tamba menta bro si artayo laitayo bang involve yaki bakin dan lang bangi bakani ka program kiklam buat tamba menta sing yo I baki perform akarkom ka badai so that is one thing that we feel that we can do something for them, you know, as a society can and as an organization we are always welcome everybody is welcome so that we can help them kan kajingkerni jong kibrio nong pindapat ya kalian ka kiaru kajingkerni kalajur kajingkerni ka drugs ru kalajur ndai te na kalian jongi ka ai bangila ban yarap kalong ba ni ai contact ya man laki police station man laki organization ni ai ki contact numbers jong Kaman Bah Foundation khna bakin one kin shim ka counseling kin nama Kaman Bah ka le ru ya ka detoxification so kin daladap nang to better counseling then lada ki dei bakin let check rehab ki baper ru ngi pha tamba ka problem ka jongi kalong ba ngim dan kata ka rehab ka ba kini ki khna ki ba kham duk ba kham bamla ban kot kata ka pisa bagi ban siu na mata ka rehab ma kim dan te ha shlong in Meghalaya itself ngim dan kata ka rehab ka ba kila ban I free services lane free rehabilitation ya kino ki addiction ba ki khna ki ngat lani ki breu ki ngat ka te bro kata rungi kran be ya kata hi ba lano ka government kala ban play kata ka di addiction center ka ba ki la ba ki kimi ki pa ki la ban afford ya ka bakin ban bu ya ki kun po kata ka di addiction center so that is what we are trying.